Hey everyone, we're diving into an herb that's been cherished for centuries, fennel. You might have seen it in your kitchen or heard about its health benefits, but what really happens to your body when you take fennel every day? Let's find out. First things first, what exactly is fennel? Fennel is a flowering plant that belongs to the carrot family. It's known for its aromatic seeds, crunchy bulbs, and feathery leaves. Used in cooking and traditional medicine, fennel has a history dating back to ancient civilizations. Fennel is packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamins like C and A, essential minerals such as potassium and calcium, and antioxidants that fight free radicals in the body. Compared to other herbs and vegetables, fennel stands out for its unique blend of nutrients. One of the most celebrated benefits of fennel is its impact on digestion. The seeds and bulbs contain compounds that help alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. They're known for their carminative properties, which means they help reduce the formation of gas in the digestive tract. Fennel is also a powerful source of antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Regular consumption of fennel can support overall health and may contribute to longevity. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key player in many chronic conditions, and fennel can help combat it. Its anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body, which might help with conditions like arthritis. Hormonal balance. Fennel contains phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic the hormone estrogen. This can be particularly helpful for women during menstruation and menopause. However, it's important to consume it in moderation. Additional health benefit. Beyond digestion and inflammation, fennel supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also has benefits for your skin, thanks to its antioxidant content, which can aid in detoxification and overall skin health. Potential risks and side effects. While fennel has many benefits, it's not without potential risks. Some people might experience allergic reactions like rashes or itching. Excessive consumption could affect hormone levels, so it's best to stick to recommended amounts. In some cases, it might cause digestive issues like heartburn or diarrhea. Recommended dosage and usage. So, how much fennel should you be consuming daily? Generally, a small amount, like a teaspoon of fennel seeds or a few slices of fennel bulb, is considered safe. You can enjoy it in salads, teas, or as a spice in your cooking. Recent studies highlight the health benefits of fennel, but remember, not all information is conclusive. It's always a good idea to stay updated with the latest research and consult with healthcare professionals if you have specific health concerns. How to incorporate fennel into your diet. Want to add fennel to your diet? You can slice it into salads, brew it into a soothing tea, or even use fennel seeds as a spice in various dishes. It's versatile and can be easily included in your daily meals. To wrap things up, fennel is a nutritious herb with a range of health benefits, but it's important to consume it in moderation. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we explore more ways to live a healthier life. Until then, take care and stay well.